They thought this ship vanished forever, but the ocean kept a secret.
Millions in gold disappeared during the gold rush, without a single witness.
For 150 years, treasure hunters failed, until now.
What was found in South Australia shocked historians.
Welcome to Human Mind Secrets, where history meets psychology. Let's uncover why this ship still fascinates the human mind. In the 1850s, gold changed human behavior overnight.
People abandoned families, chasing instant wealth.
One ship carried miners, dreams, and gold across dangerous seas.
Then, it vanished without a distress call.
No survivors, no wreckage, just rumors.
The human brain hates unanswered mysteries.
That's why legends never die.
Modern sonar finally changed everything. An unusual shape appeared deep underwater.
At first, experts didn't believe it.
Then cameras revealed wooden remains. It matched the missing gold rush ship. Gold traces were detected nearby.
But here's the twist.
Most of the gold is still missing.
The real treasure is psychological.
Gold rushes trigger mass risk-taking.
The brain overvalues rare rewards. That's why people ignore danger.
This ship carried hope and fear.
When it sank, dreams sank too.
But mysteries keep dopamine alive.
That's why discoveries feel addictive.
We don't chase gold.
We chase meaning.
This discovery rewrites Australian history. It also rewrites human behavior. Every generation has its own gold rush.
The risk always feels worth it.
Until reality hits. Yes, it's.
History reminds us, slow thinking saves lives.
If this story unlocked your curiosity,
Subscribe to Human Mind Secrets and think deeper.